Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are with IYou from Creative IYou, and I do apologize for not posting new video in the past few months because I've been moving quite a lot, and today I'm back to give you another DIY tutorial how to make an evening dress using tweed fabric. So my plan was to make a jacket because I didn't have enough fabric. It's only 1 meter long and it was leftover, so I decided to create an evening dress for myself. And in case if you are interested with the pattern, I put the pattern link down below in the description. Without further ado, let's get started. I was searching for a fabric in my favorite shop, and I have seen this tweed fabric and it catch my eyes from the first time. Unfortunately, it just leftover and it is only less than 1 meter long and it costs only 35 crown, which is $2 as I'm based in Czech Republic. And I have cotton lining in my storage, so I think it is the best to match together. This cotton lining is 89 crown per 1 meter, which is $5. It does definitely fit to my body measurement since I'm in the smallest size. Since I have only 1 meter long for the tweed fabric, my plan was to make spring jacket, but definitely it's not enough to make it. So I tried to match together with another fabric and I simply tried to create evening dress. First of all, I cut all of the fabric which I need and follows the pattern. And don't forget to add 1 centimeter seam allowance in every side of the layers. Tweed fabric is perfect for jacket, caps, gloves, and it has flexible texture and rough. I need to add lining to make it comfortable to my skin, and apparently I have cotton polyester lining, so it should be great. Since I have not so much fabric, I decided to add black velvet fabric on the waistline, tweed fabric on the bodice, and for the skirt. I added 2 centimeter seam allowance in the bottom of the skirt for hem. Now I have 2 layers of front bodice and lining, also 4 layers of back bodice and lining. First of all, I attach a pin on the dart line each of layers. This way is easier for me to shoe the dart since my fabric is too rough and hard to draw a line into it. Also, I didn't have light fabric marker, so I choose this way. This is how it looks like after I sewed the dart and hot pressed with the iron. Gathered front and back bodies and skirt. Repeat the process for the lining as well. And after all, I clean seam edges with overlock stitches. Pin the front and back bodies, also the skirt, with the layers on the right side down. Simply repeat this process for the lining and shoe. As you can see, the dart from the tweed garment seems perfectly flat after quick press with the iron. This is important part to do before gathering all the layers part. Like I mentioned before, I trimmed black velvet fabric with 9 cm wide, include 2 cm for seam allowance, and my waistline length measurement plus 2 cm seam allowance. If you are download the pattern, choose your exact size and follows along the pattern. You can also watch this tutorial or simply follows the written instruction for your convenience. Assemble together the bodice and skirt, also an extra fabric on the waist, pin on the wrong side, sew and clean the edges with an overlock stitches. Repeat the process for the lining except for an overlock stitches process. This is how it looks like after I assembled all layers together. I'm using ribbon to make an adjustable straps, so I will need 4 straps with 60 cm long and 5 cm wide for the ribbon measurement. Put in place the ribbon on the middle with the right side both layers facing another. Make sure the edges of the ribbons right on the seam allowance. turn it inside out. I'm using blind zipper with 40 cm for the length, and it costs 24 crown, which is around $1. First of all, I attach blind zipper, pin it on the tweed fabric, and skip this process for the lining. Since I use blind zipper, I need to change my machine foot to blind zipper foot to sew this part. Sew the blind zipper on the front side facing another with the tweed garment. This is how it looks like. As you can see, I clean the lining edges with an overlock stitches first before I assemble the lining with the tweed garment. Now I am going to close the lining edges with regular stitches and leave 40 cm gap. And don't forget to sew on the wrong side. Double fold around 1 cm of the bottom lining, pin, and I am finishing with hand blind stitches to secure. Next, hem the bottom of the tweed garment. Before that, I cleaned the edges with an overlock stitches. Fold 1 cm, pin, and sew with regular stitches. Fold around 1 cm the lining edges. Assemble the lining edges together with the blind zipper. Pin and close the gap. I am using hand blind stitches to finishing the gap. If you have another method to sew blind zipper, please let me know down below in the comment section. After all, I am done.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy my video. And also don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up so I can make another great video in the future for you. And also, if you are remaking the dress, please tag me on Instagram at @creativeiyu, and I would like to see your creation. I hope to see you next time in the future, and have a nice day. Bye bye.